Good morning, everybody. We are here. Dude, if you have not seen the crypto prices today, wake up. It is absolutely ridiculous. It is, however, a little cold, a little cloudy outside. 40 degrees today, cloudy out there. We get Dark Bro first in the chat. Dark Bro, Pudgy, Kombu, Dark Bro, Kombu, Pudgy, Dark Bro, next level, Dark Bro, next level, Dark Bro, Pudgy, Dark Bro, Bree guy. We got Dark Bro, Pudgy, Moji, Dark Bro, Moji, Pudgy, Dark Bro, Moji, Dark Bro, Moji, Pudgy, Bender, Dark Bro, Giovanni, Dark Bro, Giovanni, Dark Bro, Giovanni, next level, Giovanni, Dark Bro. All of you guys, so glad to have you in here right now. Let's check the market out and see what's going on so far today. That is, oh, what is that, man? Oh, that's still Shibarium, right? I was like, I don't even know what that is. We've got AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen sitting at 706 right now. AMC's up 2.92% today, 707 at the moment. Shiba Inu coin, 898 points per coin, not doing too bad, but it is down from yesterday. 1.86% lower on the day today. GameStop sitting at $16.67, up 9.02%. GameStop looking very good right there. Bitcoin down at the bottom left. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my goodness. Bitcoin sitting at $41,616 a coin. Did somebody order a bull market breakout? Now, I will say this, okay? We have been seeing this trend line emerge over the last month or two. It is pulling away. So we should expect, right? If this is the line we're following right now, we should expect a little bit of a pullback here back to this mean at some point. Well, right now, we are above $41,000, touching $42,100 on Bitcoin. Phenomenal price action. Stock market, on the other hand, bouncing back a little bit right now, but getting hit hard today. Stocks are down 1.11% right now as the NASDAQ is lower. AMC 707, GameStop 1671, Dogecoin 8.8 cents. We've got Ethereum, $2,200 Ethereum. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh man, listen, we are ready for the bull market with these prices right here. I don't know if it'll sustain, but it is looking good. Shiba Inu coin, 896 points per coin. Bitcoin, 41,580. The SPY, 455. We got QQQ, 385. Mullen Auto, 18.5 cents, up 14% today. Sundial sitting at $1.53. Netflix, 456. Highcroft Mining, 215. MPW, 538. Tesla sitting at $236. Amazon, 144. And Apple getting gripped right now, $188.41. We're going to watch this bad boy play out there. Dude, look at these candles. 572 to 621 in seconds there. The crypto market is looking wild, man. Dark Bro, thank you very much for the super chat. News of the day: honorarium website will be completed in between lives so we can view it in the second half. Also, authorized hydration, Clay. I am gonna need it, dude. I got a little bit of a sore throat right here. So, dude, I don't know what it is. I wanted to do the live stream and I wanted to just be a little bit chiller than normal because I've got a sore throat and it's really hurting right here. Not really hurting, like I can still swallow, it's okay, but I wanted to be a little bit more calm. But dude, as soon as I get on, the energy just elevates and I'm like, what, good morning, bros. It's a curse, I guess. Thank you very much for the authorized hydration. And look at this one. Dark Bro, not trying to trump your super chat there, but Pat coming in Friday night, okay? I mean, I gotta play it because I'm not ever gonna miss a super chat. But Pat sent one over Friday night, well after the live stream was over. It says, and look at that. It says, Clay, it has been a hectic week, and I apologize. Look, this dude is literally apologizing for the delay in sending a super chat. Pat, let me tell you something, man. You never got to apologize for sending a super chat at a different time. You never have to apologize for not sending a super chat. Nobody is obligated to send anything ever, man. So, sincerely, Never worry about apologizing for any such matter, man. I know, like, I know what you mean, and I know you're not literally sorry for doing it, but Pat, dude, thank you very much. He says, I hope that all is well, and please send my best to the bro fam. Bro fam, you got the best right there. Also, please use this donation to help defray some of the costs for the giveaway. 9,325 remaining. More authorized hydration right there. And I will use that cost to defray the giveaways, dude, because each one of those hoodies, dude, sending it out, I mean, you guys are going to be loaded up on a massive amount of hoodies from these giveaways here. So it's going to be good. And I don't know if J-Bones is in here right now. Well, we'll see if J-Bones. Somebody named Bones was the giveaway winner this morning. So I'm under the assumption that his first name starts with a J, or his first initial starts with a J, and or his first initial is a J, not starts. You can't have initials start because it's just only one letter. Yeah, J-Bones, go watch those videos if that's you, man. Otherwise, it's very, very strange that another guy's got the name Bones out there. We need some more Satoshi manipulation. I thought the same thing. Something was fishy going on with the all-time high transaction. Chris, dude. But here's the thing, okay? Here's the thing. A lot of people jumped me yesterday on X saying, this is stress testing. This is blah. This is blah. This is wolf swap, minting new tokens. Who the heck cares what it is, right? I want to show you something, man. I want to show you something after... This dude, man. I told you not to apologize for sending or not sending a super chat. Outdoor Smile. Thank you very much for the super chat, man. You guys don't listen to nobody, do you? Now I know how your mothers feel. You don't listen to nobody out there. Not even me. Outdoor Smile, thank you very, very much for the super chat. Now pay better attention, man, because I said don't apologize for ever sending a super chat and not sending a super chat. Oh my gosh. Outdoor Smile, thank you very much for that. Oh my gosh, Bitcoin is just... We 41,700 plus dollars on Bitcoin right now. 764. Dude, this action is wild. Today is going to be a very, very good day. I cannot believe that this stuff is ripping as high as it is. My gosh. What did I want to pull up? That's Shibarium. Okay. That's Shibarium. I want Shib burn, though. Yeah. Now, I want to point this out to you guys, okay? Because a lot of you guys may have missed this. Got my hoodie Saturday. It's really nice and thick. Boom, boom, pow! Kenneth, I love it. Kenneth, and I don't know if you've left a review yet or not, but if you want to win another one, dude, leave a review, man. Leave a review. This is the one I want. All right, so if you guys missed, I got into a... not an argument, right? But I was posting a bunch of stuff on Twitter. 7.84 million. Golly bum, here you guys come again. What is this? Oh, that's Outdoor Smile. Outdoor Smile, thank you very much for showing up on the screen like 5 minutes later. Let's see here. Shibarium, 7.84 million transactions so far in the last 24 hours. The previous day, 7.4 million transactions. The previous day, 5 million transactions. And that jumps out of nowhere from like an average of 10 to 15,000 transactions per day. So something definitely going on with that, right? Manipulation, wolf swap, minting millions and billions of tokens, whatever the thing is, okay? Whatever the reasoning behind this surge, I really don't care. Here's the interesting part. No, close that. This is Shib burn, okay? The ecosystem team promised to provide us with a burn tracker to easily go in, okay? And this is the transaction ID right here. To easily go in, burnt fees, easily go in and track the accumulation of all of the bone being burned. As you guys can see, this transaction right here burnt 008 bone. That's great, man. That's almost 1 cent per transaction. This is exactly what we wanted to see. 1 cent per transaction being burned. And because of the mad influx of transactions, That's exactly what we've gotten. So come on over, babe. And look how fast these transactions are coming in here. Scanning new transactions. Let it update. I don't know if it's gonna update or not. All right, we'll see if that starts to come in. Doesn't seem as though that number is gonna start ticking. Oh, here it is. Look, since I just refreshed this page, 550 more transactions came in. Shibarium here. Look at this. Each one of these blocks, 5 seconds. Blocks happen every 5 seconds. $8 worth of Shib burn, $7 worth of Shib burn, $6, $10 worth of Shib burn, 6, 7, 7, and look, now another 6 coming in 5 seconds later. We are burning $5 to $10 every 5 seconds. The total accumulated bone is now $76,000 worth of bone. I asked them where the burn button was. I said, I don't really care. Awesome. Shibarium's working as planned. Where's the burn button? I want to click it. You know what I got? You know what the result or the answer I got from asking where the burn button was? Blocked. Mazrael blocked me. I've already been blocked by Lucy, and some other nobody blocked me from the Shiba Inu Coin ecosystem team because I asked where the burn button was. Guys, we have accumulated $76,000 worth of bone, and they will not let us burn it. Think about that. Think about that. Don't think about it too long or you might get mad. I thought about it a lot, and it kind of makes me mad the way they act. So, yeah, think about that. TI's gone up over 300% since I bought it. How far can it go up, Giovanni? Billions of dollars in market cap, honestly. We can look at that in 2 seconds here after I say, bro, if I want to buy a shirt, it says it's currently unavailable. Where the heck are you at, no name? It should not say it's not available. Amazon merch has unlimited supply, dude. Which one are you looking at? I'll click on it and see what it says. It should not say unavailable for you. It might say unavailable for you if you live in, like, Singapore or something. It might say that if you don't live in one of the countries that they ship to. So, what do you got going on? Timmy! Thank you very much for the green name. Geoped, grabbing that green name. Geoped, please say thank you to Tim, man. Tim, thank you very much, man, for making sure everybody in this chat has a green name. Yes, dude. Gen G, good morning to you, Gen G. Loving it. Outdoor Smile is in here. Trade Glon. I'll trade Glon for yours. Are you at all-time highs? Me? Somebody else? I don't. Oh, you're talking Glon for Dark Bros honorarium. Let's go, Luke. I set up a bot on Uphold. Set to take Bravo to 75% gain. Stop loss at 10%. Bree guy. Go, 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 go. Luke is going crazy. And I will say this as well, okay? I will say this as well. I know a lot of you guys are Shib Army. A lot of you guys are Lunk Army. You know, for some reason or another, you might not want to support Shib. You might not want to support Lunk. There is now a Terra Luna Classic link to use Amazon to burn Terra Luna Classic as well. So if you guys want to click on that, we're leveraging the Amazon Associates account for commission for anything sold on Amazon, not just bro merch. Anything sold on Amazon will now burn Terra Luna Classic and will burn Shiba Inu coin. So please make sure to check that out if you guys want to. Literally any and every purchase. So tell your mom, tell your sister, tell your wife, tell your brother, tell your cousin. Everybody use that link. Anything. You could go out and buy an 8-ball if you want it, and it's going to burn Shib or Lunk. You could go out and buy a new computer, and it's going to burn Shib or Lunk. Make sure to check it out, guys. Check me on the Discord. Heck yeah. GameStop about to go crazy again. Crisis Gang. GameStop is going crazy right now. GameStop currently sitting up almost 10.33% on the day right now. GameStop is looking very good. Thousands of people are going to be dressing up for GameStop in New York City at SantaCon next week. Ape Father is going to be there. Dude, I love the Ape Father, man. Hey, for real, tell the Ape Father he should wear his bro shirt when he goes to that thing. Tell the Ape Father he should wear his bro shirt, and maybe I'll send him another, or he's got a hoodie. Ape Father's got a hoodie. I think he's a 3X. I don't have any 3Xs right now that I could send him another one. Tell the Ape Father wear his bro hoodie to under his out costume or whatever he's got going on. Wear his bro hoodie to the Netherlands. The Netherlands, bro. You know what? That is interesting because I know that they ship. They ship all throughout Europe, but I don't know if they hit the Netherlands or not. I know they got Sweden. I know they got Spain. I know they got the UK. I know they got France. I know they got Italy. But I am going to be honest, man. I don't know if they do the Netherlands or not. If it says it's unavailable, it might just be because they don't incorporate the Netherlands there. So I am very sorry about that. If it is unavailable in the Netherlands, it should have been all throughout Europe. J-Bones, you watched the video this morning, J-Bones? You should watch the video this morning. Loving some Shib and Bone. Gen G, very nice. You're my pleasure. Just keeping it green, baby. Just keep it green, baby. Yes, you pet, keep it green. Yes, whatever outdoor smile. Whatever outdoor smile. Yeah, well, we're glad to have outdoor smile in here. So let me ask you this. Do you think this is their own money or do they have access to coins? Chris, I'm not exactly sure which one you think, which one you're referring to. So for the Shiba Inu coin ecosystem team, they have not, they have access. I'm sure they have access to that smart contract that has the bone accumulated in it. Okay, I'm sure they have access to that. So the $76,000 that has been accumulated in bone, ready to be burnt, the $76,559.08. Refresh this website and it might change already. No, that was auto updating. So burning $7, $6, $6 every 5 seconds. I truly believe that they still have access to this money. $76,000 sitting there. And we know that if this is $76,000, the validators would have made another $100,000 on these transactions or more, maybe even $250,000 on these transactions. So I truly believe that they are sitting on a massive amount of money right now that they are unwilling to burn. This data is coming from Shibburn. Shibburn is running some nodes on all of the transactions, and what he's doing is he's looking at these transactions here and then accumulating all of the burnt fees and adding them together. And all of these burnt fees get added together, and that's how you end up with, wow, look at this one, dude. $12 was burned during that block. $5, $4, $6, $7, $4.90. All of these transactions, that's where the accumulation comes from. These numbers right here. And the fact that they're doing like 400 to 450 transactions every 5 seconds is what's adding up to these numbers right here. $7, $5, $6, $5. For some reason, $76,631. This number is probably going to be close to $100,000 by the end of the day. And they have not given us the access to that burn button yet. I have a bad feeling. A bad feeling that they either don't know how to burn it or they're just walking away with it. And that's a lot of money to walk away with, man. Now, here's the thing. I wish, dude, and we could, if there were, thousands of people using the Amazon affiliate link, we could probably burn numbers similar to that because I know how much money people spend on Amazon. People spend $1.4 billion a day on Amazon. We could be burning numbers similar to that, if not better. But right now, the accumulation might seem small compared to what Shibarium's doing. But at least we know that Amazon is going to burn. As soon as that commission becomes available and people don't return their items, Amazon will burn. It's very strange, man. I hope that they're not accumulating $77,000. I mean, look, it's gone up $1,000 in the last 5 minutes. I hope that they don't accumulate all that money, man, and just run away with it. The Fluffy is spoken. Respect the fluff, always. I'm still waiting my refund so I can reorder my bro shirt. Amazon. Dude, what the heck is Amazon playing games for? I get it that Amazon is probably obscenely busy during the holiday season, but they need to stop playing games. Bender, appreciate you wanting to get another one on that reorder there. Suzuki as well. Suzuki, Amazon didn't get him his stuff on time. But, hey, did anybody see if J-Bones said he watched the movie or watched the video this morning? J-Bones, go watch that video. I think you might be impressed with the results of today's winner. GME fam gonna take over New York City. Woo, Lamar loves you. I hope you guys do. And you know what? Wear your bro shirts into New York City. Shoot, dude, if you guys tag me in some pictures wearing your bro shirts into New York City, you might get another one. I can't say you're guaranteed to get another one because I already got a lot of giveaways to give away and a lot of money to ship out in shirts. Have some fun with it though, dude. Have a little bro convention with all you guys wearing your bro shirts in New York City. Lunk LFG. Let's take a look at Terra Luna Classic right now, man. Terra Luna Classic testing 30,000 points per coin this morning. Terra Luna Classic inspiring gains. Let's see where we're at here. Oop. That's not Terra Luna Classic. That's Honorarium's up 13% today. Look at that bad boy, dude. Honorarium looking good. Terra Luna Classic, 1,400. Yeah, right, dude. Yeah, right. That's such old news. You don't even know about it. Terra Luna Classic sitting at 24,000 points per coin. Look at this. Oh, my gosh, dude. Look at this volume. Dude, we were about to burn so much Terra Luna Classic, it's not even going to be funny. Can you imagine Binance's accumulation? And if you guys actually use the link to burn Terra Luna Classic with Amazon as well, dude, we are going to catch the supply on fire in January. Holy smokes, $1.3 billion traded. You know what? Let me do some math here. If you guys traded 1.3, or if you guys bought, not you, right? Because I know 55 of you aren't going to spend $1.3 billion. But if people spent $1.3 billion on that Amazon link, that would burn roughly, and it's an estimate, okay? Because it's not all the same exact commission. That would burn roughly $13 million worth of Terra Luna Classic. $13 million worth of Terra Luna Classic divided by, what's it trading at? 3 zeros and a 2-4. That would burn, dude, that would make us the top burner of Terra Luna Classic. That would make us the top burner of Terra Luna Classic. That would burn 54 billion Terra Luna Classic at the current price. If the price dropped back down to 10,000 points per coin or 6,000 points per coin, that would burn 100 to 200 billion Terra Luna Classic. Guys, the total staked amount's only $1 trillion. There's only 6 trillion outstanding. If you guys did that much volume with that link on Amazon, which Amazon does $1.3 billion a day in sales, so I know you could, that would burn 54 billion Terra Luna Classic in one stinking day. Oh my God. Use the link, guys, and share that link. Put it everywhere. Seemed like you said in the video, the bot is doing this, and I'm not very happy with these transactions with no transparency from the call. Okay, so Chris, yes, a lot of people, it's either bots, but it's not human, okay? It's not human transactions. These transactions are not people going out on Shibarium and trading coins, swapping coins, any of that stuff. When you have 500 transactions per second, it is, a lot of people are claiming that it is Wolf Swap minting new tokens. Okay, I don't know exactly what it is. I don't care exactly what it is at this point. The numbers are obscenely high, and the numbers are resulting in burns. $77,000 has already been accumulated, but they're not letting us burn that. That's the issue at this point. The burn button should be able to be pushed, but they're not letting us burn it. Waiting for my Lunk to finish unstaking. Terra Luna, next level. Are you taking some profits, man? Let us know, because dude, you guys have been sitting on Terra Luna Classic for quite some time. You deserve to take some profits. Maybe not all of it, right? But you deserve to take some profits with the way that this bad boy is ripping. Sweet! You like my review. Woohoo! J-Bones, man. Send me a message on Twitter or the Discord or whatever. And when I send all the hoodies out, I'm going to try and just do like 1 week for the next 3-4 weeks or whatever it is. So yeah, dude, let me know what size you want so I can get that made and get that ready to go out there. No picking colors, no picking any of that stuff. Just tell me what size you want. And then, of course, if there's no sizes left at the end, you guys are just going to get what you get. But Yeah, Jay Bones, man, congratulations. And I figured it was you, and I don't know anybody else named Bones, man. Just on chain today, there's been 500 million burnt, and there are still 6 hours left of the day. Richard, yes, dude, it is absolutely insane, man. I am loving it, and I want to contribute. So the only way that I really know how to contribute right now, without burning my own money or you burning your own money, dude, leveraging Amazon, spend the money that you would normally spend, and watch essentially 1% of your I don't know, buys on Amazon. Burn Terra Luna Classic, or if you want to burn Shib, I've got a link to burn Shib as well. Well, if you come to SantaCon, I'll buy you a beer. Well, Lamar loves you. Absolutely appreciate the offer, man. I do not drink, but I will say that I don't plan on going to New York City, man. Nothing against like going to SantaCon or for supporting GameStop or anything like that, but it's not on my agenda, and I probably won't be able to make it there. But dude, listen. I'd definitely let you buy me like a lemonade or an iced tea or a water or something like that. And I do think it would be very cool to hang out. But absolutely appreciate the offer, man. I gotta pay bills, BRB. Pudgy, good. Come back, man. Let's see. I was not patient with Terra Luna Classic, so now I have to be patient with Shib. Giovanni, absolutely, man. But you don't have to be patient forever, right? EYPT to Puto. Nufo, man. Let's pull up EYPT for a second here. Jiminy Christmas. 41.6 on Bitcoin, dude. EYPT. I know I just typed that in, but I don't know where it's at. EYPT to Puto. iPoint Farm. Oh, please sell. Oh, please sell, dude. I don't know what's happening here. Oh, jeez, dude. What is going on with EYPT, man? Tapping resistance right here, getting ready to come back down. $18 on EYPT. This is a weekly graph, okay? Oh my gosh, dude. Was sitting at $22 this morning and has been coming down all morning. Yeah, it's been coming down all morning. Ripped to 34 after hours on Friday. Holy smokes. Nufo, if you're in it, man. Oh my goodness. Nufo, did you take some profits? Did you take some profits on that massive gain there? Oh my gosh. Man, everything that is holy. Do I get ED? Well, Tim, I'm going to let you know why, man. It's because they know about your search history. And they're targeting you based on your search history. Nah, Tim, dude, they know. It's based on demographics, dude. It's based on demographics. So they're just hitting you with those. They're not saying anything by it. They're just hitting you with demographics. Random unplanned ad. Geoped. Yeah, so remember I turned on, I let YouTube insert the ads when YouTube feels best to insert ads. So if you guys find it excessive, I've not been clicking the random or the 12:30 scheduled ad because I'm letting YouTube insert it. But if you guys find it like super annoying that they're putting massive amounts of ads into the live stream or whatever, let me know. But yeah, it was a random ad because YouTube's hitting you guys with randoms now. My Lunk is the price where I bought it last year, so I am breaking even. Roulette wheel, gotta feel good. The question is, man, are you holding higher or are you thinking about selling? We got two ads right on time. 12:25. There you go, old rounder. Can you post the link for Amazon? I don't have to contribute to the burn. Gen G. Yeah, it's in whichever one you guys want to use. It's in the link of the videos. Where? This one. Is it in the description? I have no idea why these live stream descriptions. I have no idea why they never stay updated. I don't know if you were asking about the Shib one. Or if you were asking about the Lunk one. But this is the Shib one. That's the Shib one. Give me 2 seconds. And this is currently the Lunk one. I think the Lunk one lands on the Bro merch page, and the Shib one lands on the Shib merch page. But you don't have to buy the merch for it to for it to count towards burns. You can literally just open Amazon through that link and then go search and buy anything you want. Let's see. Can you trust a non-drinker? Absolutely, Geoped. Absolutely, you can. Shib burn says 8.2 billion Shibs was burned a few minutes ago. Tyler. Dude, oh, God. Now, hold on. All right, let me go look at that, because if that's the case, 8.2 billion, 76,000. 76,000 divided by 0.9. Yeah, that would be the $76,000. Dang it, man. If that's the case, I'm going to have to do a whole new video for tonight. Ads, in the words of Elon, go forget yourself. Yes, Chris, man. Roulette wheel. Thank you very much for the super chat. Can you show an IOTX chart? I have a feeling it will 10x very quickly. Absolutely. Let's come out to here, and then here, and then here. All right, here we go. Yeah, well, it's doing very, very well today. Up 34% today. Yeah, this could reach a $3 billion market cap. $352 million is not crazy, so it is possible to see this touch a $3 billion market cap here. And it roughly hit that before. So it is roughly gone to $2.2 billion in total market cap. That would have been roughly a 15x from these levels down here that it was at just last month. So, yeah, this is a decent possibility for a spike back up during the next bull market if things really take off here. It seems as though it wants to break out of this resistance at 3 cents, 3 cents, 3 cents, 3 cents, tapped it several times. You might find resistance at about 6 cents, and then, of course, you're going to find resistance in this area here. But, oh, boy, dude, if it breaks it, yeah, you could be on your way back up to 25, 30 cents. So that is very intriguing right there. You can't quit, you're fired. Exactly, but I don't know who we're talking about now. Hard to believe! Celestia just a little over a month ago, a little over a month old, and it's already up over 300%. How high can Celestia go up? TIA, ladies and gentlemen, TIA right here. Celestia up, wow, holy moly, dude, $8.75. Wow. Up 53%. This was at $2, man. This was at $2. Over the last month, dude, 264% gains from $2.50 to $8.77. Yeah, this is phenomenal. Dude, since its inception here, 317% gains in Celestia. It's sitting on a $1.3 billion market cap. Dude, it might run into a little resistance in that $1 billion area, but it reminds me of Caspa. Caspa ripping up to that $1 billion and then saying, forget about it. We're just going to keep on ripping. It ripped through. It was like 5 cents was the $1 billion mark on Caspa. Now sitting at 14 cents. $3 billion market cap. So Celestia, dude, I'm not going to say Celestia is looking at stopping right now, but ran into a little resistance in this 960, 970 area that it touched earlier today when Bitcoin was hitting 42,000. And, of course, pulled back a little bit and following Bitcoin very closely. Back up a little bit over the last hour or so. Currently sitting up 3% on the day. $8.77. Looking very, very nice. All right, let's see. We got bone accumulated. $77,000 worth of bone right here. Let's see where... Okay, Shib burn. Let's see the latest burns. Dude, if this is transaction hash, all right, let's see. From this wallet here. Well, now we know. Now we know that this wallet, yeah, now we know that this wallet right here is going to be the burn wallet for Shibarium transactions. Wow. Where's the burn button, though? Who clicked the burn button? Well, that video is useless. Yeah, this would have been... This would have been the burn transaction right here from Shibarium. Wow. All right, guys. Well, we have transactions 0.0000000. What do we got here? This was 13 minutes ago. Transactions. Yes, this is the null wallet, right? Now, why does it say the last transaction? It was 22 days ago. On this null wallet, this dead wallet here. Oh, here we go, man. Yeah, ERC20 tokens to the dead wallet 15 minutes ago. 8.2 billion Shiba Inu coin sent to this dead wallet. And I'm gonna have to do that video, redo that video. It kind of sucks, but yeah. Shibarium burnt 8.2 billion Shiba Inu coin with the latest transactions. Where's the burn button? I wanted to click it. I was asking to click it last night. Where's the burn button that they didn't let me click it? I wanted to be... Dude, hey, Shiba Inu coin burnt 8.2 billion Shib with the recent increase in transactions, man. Automatic, none of the secret behind the closed door, all that stuff. Yes, bullish, NASDAQ, FT, FTSE, Nifty, it is GDP positive, Fed cuts, hike, a jobless claim, more government promoting, oil, petrol, price cuts, a so crude. What now? Rock bottom, man. That's a lot of just stuff mixed up. Was that a full sentence, or you just like naming stuff? Michael Allen, thank you very much for the super chat. We got ourselves a big old to the locators out there, fudders, and whatever that means. We've got ourselves a fist bump, fist bump, fist bump, fist bump, baby. Michael Allen. Mike, dude, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate it, man. Loving it right now. Loving it. Guys, no ignore, please. Chris, never ignore. What did Chris say that I'm never going to ignore? Chris, I wouldn't do it. Clay, the everyday spy guy, said America wants the crap with either that stuff or that stuff to keep going because it's what's keeping our economy afloat. And the reason why America is still number one is because that administration wrecks us during the lockdown, and the first world peeps copied and they got wrecked too. Well, listen, man, to a certain degree, all right, war is business. And I don't know if YouTube's going to get mad at me for talking about it or not, but war is business, right? And unfortunately, I do think that there's a lot of laundering that goes on during war. A lot of, well, let's just send these guys some money. Let's just send these guys some money. And let's just forget to record it on our accounting books and on our ledgers so that nobody can really ask where it went. It went to save lives, right? I do believe that war is an entire business in and of itself. with human beings essentially being the consumables. They don't care about the human beings' lives, because when you can send $100 billion to a non-ally country like Ukraine, that is, and nobody really questions it because it's wartime. That's a ridiculous amount of money being sent to other countries with getting nothing in return. So, yeah, Chris, the guy is probably right. He probably knows exactly what he's talking about. But I'm not trying to have YouTube hate me for discussing politics or anything like that. But yeah, dude, I mean, he's probably right. I don't think it's the only thing keeping us afloat. I mean, if he said it's the only thing keeping us afloat, I would disagree with that. But it is a big business, dude, and I think a lot of that money is not deserved. I think a lot of that money is just laundered, man. I really do. Rat Bone getting listed on Binance soon. Very nice. I know, man. I wanted to hit that burn button. Dang it, dude. I would have loved to have burned $70-something thousand dollars, man, for an 8.4 billion Shiba Inu coin burn. New photo Puto. Ahoo! We got ourselves a king baby in the chat. Nufo, man, thank you very much for keeping that green name for 15 stinking months, man. I love it, dude. Thank you very much, and everybody say it with me. Nufo to pool to yes, man. Nufo, thank you very much for that. Soup's still cooking, Jeff Moss. I like it. Hope to see y'all at Santa Con. Support GameStop next weekend. Deep value, man. You as well. I won't be there, but I hope you guys have fun at it. There's a reason. It's saying it's war for money. Yeah, Dark Bro, absolutely, man. Bumden sends money to that one, to cover the money he needs to launder now that FTX has blown up. Yeah, dude, when you really look at all of the money that's spent on it, it doesn't make any sense, dude. And humans being the consumables, no thanks on that one. When Lambo, no toast, dude. If, let me say this, okay? And I want to make this. See, here's the difference. Here's the difference with everybody who, for the Shib team, you know, very, very, very funny timing that I come out with an Amazon burn link to be the only thing burning Shiba Inu coin. And then within the first day, the ecosystem, Shibarium just starts working. Shibarium just starts working within a day of that Amazon link going live. But I don't care. Because the only result that I wanted to see was Shiba Inu coin being burned. Now, I don't believe that the ecosystem team has revealed a burn button. I don't think that the ecosystem team has posted and allow us, the community, to burn Shiba Inu coin. But that 8 billion Shib transaction, that $72,000, was the accumulation of bone. So what does that show us? That shows us a couple things, guys. It shows us, number one, the Shibarium, if they continue to do 5-10 million transactions per day, we are going to be burning an obscene amount of Shiba Inu coin. I would love to see that. It also shows us that the burn fee truly did need to be increased, which it was. So the things that we've been pushing for over the last several months are exactly what they've been doing, but they're never going to admit that. So I want all of you guys to understand that. When you look at, oh, darn it. Yeah, I need to go back out to Shibarium here, right? Shibarium scan, yeah. Okay, so when you're looking at this, you guys remember the 11 zeros in like a 1 burning Shiba Inu coin. Now it's 1 cent. 1 cent of every transaction is burning Shiba Inu coin, which is exactly what we were hoping for and exactly what we were asking for. They're going to say it was their idea. They're going to say it was intended to be this all along. They're never going to contribute this to people like me and you asking to burn 1 cent on Shibarium. So the burn fee has drastically increased. If this burn fee never increased, we would be sitting on 15 million transactions waiting for 75 quadrillion transactions to burn our first Shib. But we got a raise in burn fee. Absolutely what we wanted to see. The accumulation, listen to this, guys. The accumulation on, where's the Shibarium? Shibarium tracker. The accumulation on Shibarium is 100% accurate that Shib burn is showing. Each one of these blocks, $3 burned, $3 burned, $7 burned, $3 burned, $3 burned. This is 100% accurate because it aligns with the numbers that were just sent to that burn wallet or that burn address. $77,000. Now, I do think that he should probably update this for bone accumulated. He should add another one here that says like bone burned, total burned, and then the new accumulation should probably be sitting here. And I'll talk to him, I'll send him a DM or whatever to see if he can update that. And show the new accumulation, because now we cannot burn again until we accumulate over $25,000 worth of Shiba Inu coin. So this number, 100% accurate. This is what they burnt in Shib today. How do we know that? You come over here and you see the wallet address, right? You see the transaction sent to this dead wallet. 8.2 billion Shiba Inu coin sent to the dead wallet, guys. That is roughly the $70,000 that we had. I believe it's $76,000 divided by the current price, getting us the Shiba Inu coin burn right there that just came over. So what do we know? They listen to us. They'll never admit it, but they listen to us, and that burn fee increased to 1 cent. Shib burns numbers, 100% accurate. Okay, and whatever the reasoning, we finally got that burn. Whether it's us pushing them, whether it's them trying to blast me as a shadow cat for asking about it and doubting them, whatever the reasoning behind it, we got the Shiba Inu coin burn, and I am loving it right now. Nufo, thank you very much for the super chat. Another wild card. What are your thoughts on RPHM? Not sure if we're talking about another stock here. And Reno Pharmaceutical. Oh, all right. So my thoughts on any pharmaceutical company is that yes, they are a wild card. If they get some sort of an FDA approval, you're gonna watch them go up 10,000%. If they miss some trial or have some bad results, you are going to see them drop 90%. So I don't necessarily like pharmaceuticals as investments, but pharmaceuticals can make for some crazy trades. Right now, just looking at this daily chart, you can see that there's some pretty strong support at about $5-6 here. And of course, you're going to find some strong resistance in this area right here at about $8 to $9. So right now, it's got a decent little bit of a bounce. If it gets stuck in this $7 area that it's touching right now, you might curl back over. But yeah, dude, I mean, if it breaks out, especially if it's got an FDA approval that's coming down the pipeline, RPHM could jump up as well. I just don't necessarily like them as investments. You guys couldn't see that at all. Darn it. I'll go back and show you. No. You've got some strong support down here at the $6 mark on RPHM. Resistance in this area right here at about $8 to $9 per share. But like I was saying, pharmaceutical companies, very, very dangerous. They move a lot, and it's going to be heavily weighted on the news that comes out. If it's good news, these bad boys soar. If it's bad news, you're going to be watching it go down to $1 from the $9, and you're going to be sitting on a 90% decline. So that's my thoughts on any pharmaceutical company, but hopefully they've got some news coming down. Hey, what's the free $6,500? All these sketchball ads. I have never seen the ad, man. I've never seen the ad. I know Tim gets that ad. SD had that ad. You apparently have that ad. I don't know what the free $6,400 or $6,500 ad is that they've got. Wow, will they continue to burn Shiba Inu coin on Shibarium, or is that just to shut us up? Giovanni, that is the question, man. That is the question. And I believe that is going to work perfectly into their narrative, right? They could have easily manipulated these transactions to put, kind of a shut Claybro up, block that fodder kind of a narrative out there so that we stop. They're sitting, don't forget, okay? They are sitting on like $10 million worth of bone, that they have minted. They are sitting on $10+ million worth of metaverse sales. They are sitting on a load of money. The $76,000 that they just burned in Shiba Inu coin would have been a blip in their marketing budget with the tens of millions of dollars that they are holding right now. They would have easily been able to accommodate by making those transactions and in setting it up to finally burn some Shiba Inu coin. If those transactions begin to subside, yeah, dude, we know they did it to shut us up. If those transactions continue on, that is the only thing anybody ever wanted to see from Shibarium. And I will have no problem claiming to the world that Shibarium is a success. If we're seeing 7 to 10 million transactions a day, if it's one of the most utilized blockchains that's out there, if it's burning $5 worth of Shiba Inu coin every 5 seconds, I will have no problem claiming to anybody and everybody that it is a massive, massive success. I hope that that's I hope that people realize that that's the differential. Nobody, they block, they ignore, they destroy. And they are unwilling to admit that we needed to see the 1 cent transactions. We needed to see those 1 cent fees. We needed to see, they're going to call it utility. They're going to say, we only needed to see adoption. Now make sure to get everybody else to go out there and adopt Shiba Inu coin and use Shibarium. Guys, it was a $75,000 fee on their part that they could be bringing in $75,000 every 2 days. Don't forget, the transaction fee that goes to validators is essentially twice as much as the burn fee that goes to the burn wallet. If they just burnt $76,000, that means that they pocketed $150,000. Beautiful marketing. But I have no problem. If that's their intentions. They can make the money as long as they burn. I'm cool with that. Wait, how does this work with Shiba? Do we still have to get to 25,000? We're burning right off the bat. We got to get to 25,000, man. We got to get to 25,000. Okay, but let's get down to the brass tacks. Where Farmy? Woo, Farmy is $1.24, man. Farmy sitting and getting ready to test some new lows. Farmy does nothing but lose here. $1.08 was the all-time low. Farmy sitting here coming back down over the last 2 weeks. Nothing but red lines and not looking very good. Farmy, stay away from it. Never touch it. It makes me sick to see it. But yeah, Giovanni. So the accumulation, I hope that Shiburn's already working on it. But this number here, the accumulated bone, $77,635. I hope that he gets a new little section here that says, okay, transactions needed to reach 25,000. Maybe he just updates this, the transactions needed or bone needed to reach the next $25,000 threshold or something like that. This is the total that Shibarium would have burned. But if they burn 76,000, we are $1,600 closer to the next $25,000 threshold. You guys can't see it again. It always has to be in $25,000 increments, like at the minimum. More ads. Bender, you guys get hit with 2 sets of ads. Is that what they're hitting you with right now? RPHM threat. I don't know what RPHM has. I don't know what their drug is or what they're working on, man. Renio Pharmaceutical is what RPHM is. Rudesy's Hub, thank you very much for subscribing to the channel. Absolutely appreciate you, man. I've seen Joe Rogan, Andrew Tate, someone else, and now Steve Harvey something. Are you talking about RPHM or are you talking about another thing? Then we just have to keep talking because we aren't shutting up. Yeah, Gen G. And you know what? Is like as disrespectful as it is to say, we shouldn't stop talking. We shouldn't let them, say, well, don't listen to the fudders. Because, guys, they weren't doing it before. They got annoyed. And now it worked. If we keep pushing them, they might not like us. But if we keep pushing them, and we are able to burn $76,000 every couple of days. Holy smokes, man. Holy smokes. Dude, it's going to be phenomenal. Giovanni, you don't understand $25,000 number. I'll try to break it down real quick. So, when they set up the Shibarium burns, they set up like an accumulating wallet. And they would not burn Shiba Inu coin unless we accumulated over $25,000 worth of bone. Now, because the transactions were so insanely high over the last 3 days, we accumulated from $0 to essentially $77,000 in the last 3 days. Because we broke over that $25,000 threshold, they went in there. I don't think they let the community do it because I don't think the button exists. But they went in there and they sent the entirety to the burn wallet. Because of that, now we've accumulated 0 again. All of it was sent to the burn wallet. Now we're starting fresh. That wallet has to accumulate an additional $25,000 before it gets sent to the burn wallet. The $25,000, they just made that number up. Okay, they could make it 10,000, they could make it 1,000, they could just make it every 24 hours to burn Shiba Inu coin. But they put that $25,000 threshold on there for some reason. Right now, if they burn 76,000, we have roughly $1,757 already accumulated towards that $25,000 threshold. When and if we break that 25,000, they will be able to send Shiba Inu coin to the burn wallet once more. IODX went from 2 cents to 50 cents back in 2021. The same momentum is back possibly more. Yeah, roulette wheel, man. If this bull market continues on, you are absolutely right. I'm going to do 10x on my MKR, but most people say 30x. Oh my gosh, Jesus. Claudio, man. I hope you hit it, dude. I hope you hit it. Don't get greedy if you do 10x, okay? You can still put some take profits on there and not let it fall back on you. Farming is as low as my last X. Oh my gosh, she's a little bit more of a money pit, but it's close. Oh yeah, dude. Farming was definitely close there for me. Okay, I'm joking about the Theranos. Okay, gotcha. Yeah, all right. Now I understand what you're saying. And the celebs are the ones about the 6,500. Okay, really? They're in that stupid commercial? Chris, I didn't know that they were in that commercial, man. Where Vit, the Shillers, haven't been here in a while. You know what? They haven't been here in a while. Let's see where Vegas Inu token is real quick. Honorarium doing well. Honorarium's up 13% today. VIT. Vegas Inu is up 2% on the day today. Where is it on a daily chart? Still floating down there, man. It's continued to come down. Finding support in this area right now that it's been sitting at for several days. But Vegas Inu, after all the hype, man, has started to come down pretty heavy here. And it's currently sitting on a $685,000 market cap, which is still phenomenal. But it was at like a $2.5, almost $3 million market cap up here. So Vegas Inu definitely down at the moment. We'll keep Honorarium up, be able to check that out at some other point. But I am excited about the Shibarium burns right now, guys. Shibarium actually burning Shiba Inu coin. I got to eat the words in the video that was supposed to be coming out later. Not going to be able to release that video, and I'm going to have to make a new one for exciting that the Shibarium is finally burning Shiba Inu coin to the tune of $76,000. Hey, I'm thinking it's some sort of AI thing because it's their voices, but the words don't. Oh, yeah. Dude, actually, I think people can get in trouble for having AI commercials like that and not marking it as AI. I actually think that they can get in trouble for impersonating someone's likeness and not marking it as AI. So we have to say $25,000 every time to burn Shiba Inu coin. Is that easy with a 1 cent transaction fee? Giovanni, yes to the first question. We have to hit at least $25,000 every time to burn Shiba Inu coin. Is that easy with a 1 cent transaction fee? Absolutely. So that is 25 million transactions, I believe. $25,000. No, what do we need? $25,000. Yeah, divided by 1 cent. Dude, it's only 2.5 million transactions. So if every transaction burns 1 cent, you only need 2.5 million transactions. So let's talk about just how easy it is. Shibarium was doing 10,000 transactions a day. That's still easy to reach 2.5 million transactions, right? You've got 10 days is going to take you to 100,000. Another times 10, so 100 days. That's a lot, but that's going to take you. So every 200 days, you'd be burning. But that's with a very, very, very low amount of transactions at 10,000. If you're doing 7.5 million transactions a day, like we are right now, dude, we're going to be burning $75,000 a day in Shiba Inu coin because of Shibarium. That, dude, listen, I would support that all day long if that's what we end up doing. If they don't drop that 1 cent transaction fee that we were begging for and finally got, and if we continue to do 7.5 million transactions a day, we're going to be burning $75,000 per day in Shiba Inu coin. $75,000 a day. We saw that it's 8 billion Shiba Inu coin, 8.4 times 30. We will be burning 252 billion Shiba Inu coin per month on average. Every 4 months, we will burn 1 trillion Shiba Inu coin. Guys, I don't think that the market has fully understood what's happening. But as long as these guys aren't trying to shut us up, as long as these guys aren't trying to come in here and say, well, we told you more adoption is more Shib burn. All you got to do is follow us. Follow us to the promised land and become a Shibazen. If we don't get that, man, and we're burning $75,000 a day based on these transactions, never improving any more than we are currently sitting at, it is go time, baby. It is go time. Tim, hey! Claudio grabbing that green name. Tim, dude, thank you very much for the green name. And I love to see Claudio grabbing that green name. Seja bem-vindo para os verdes, Claudio. Thank you very much for being in here, grabbing that green name. I love it, dude. Tim, thank you for throwing out another green name, man. And Claudio couldn't have gone to a better person. Have a good afternoon, fam. How in the world is it 1:03 already? Oh my gosh. New here, if you think blinding lights, that's me or Michael Jackson. Dance 87. I'll take it, man. Glad to have you in here as well. What would be the reason why they would get rid of the 1 cent fee? Frick juice. What would be the reason that they get rid of that? They would... no logical reason to get rid of it, right? Because with the 7 million transactions, obviously people are willing to pay the 1 cent transaction fee. That is obvious that people are willing to pay that and doing 7 million transactions at that 1 cent burn fee. So they would have no logical explanation as to why they would want to lower it. What they would tell you is that people can't afford it. Okay, they would tell you that people can't afford it. They would tell you that if we can do 7 million transactions a day with 1 cent, imagine how much we could do with no burn fee. And that doesn't make any sense because they still have the 1 cent priority fee on there. All we did was go from a total transaction cost of 1 cent to a total transaction cost of 2 cents. So it would be, it would be to FUD people like you and me that want to see a higher fee. It would be simply to disgrace the name of other people and get their narrative across. Did they up the fee for burns? Whit Reed. So the fee for burns has increased on average, but it probably has increased on average because of the utilization of the network. Once these fees, or once the Shibarium transactions go down, and it's no longer 7 million transactions a day. If it goes back down to 100,000 transactions a day, I'm sure that burn fee is going to fall to nothing. It could also be a marketing tactic by them to say, well, here's your proof. More transactions equal more burns. We need more utility. We need everybody on Earth to use Shibarium, otherwise we won't burn anything. So you can see 55 seconds ago, this transaction right here burned 0.8 cents. So nearly 1 cent was burned. If these numbers go down, if the transactions go down, yeah, the burn fee is most likely going to go down as well. So the burn fee has been raised on average to burn massive amounts of Shiba Inu coin. Glibro, Bitcoin been very, very good to me. Oh, been very, very good to me. Yeah, dude, spreading the wealth. Tim, dude, Bitcoin is roaring right now. Bitcoin is loving the crypto market. Roulette wheel! Can you check the IOTX again? People in here should seriously think about getting in. It has real-world utilities and has partnerships with Microsoft and many other companies. Absolutely, roulette wheel. We'll bring that up. It's the end of the stream. We're going to end on IOTX, guys. We're going to end on IOTX here. It is currently up 34%. Ripping higher, doing $68 million, $93 million in volume today, 373% increase in volume, a 43% increase in price, and has already, since we looked at it a minute ago, gone from 3.7 cents to 3.9 cents, getting ready to break through that 40-cent level. If you look at it on the weekly, we are absolutely breaking out. If you look at it on the monthly, it is absolutely breaking out. If you look at it on the annual, it is absolutely breaking out. And if you take a look at the all-time chart, guys, this is what you don't want to miss out on. This move here, August 5th to August 11th, okay? August 8th to August 11th, went from 2 cents to 10 cents. 5x increase in that week right there. No chance, right? If you weren't in it, you weren't in it, and you didn't get those gains. This major rally right here went from 6 cents in a couple days to 23 cents. So, dead serious. You're probably not going to have time if the rally breaks out in something like this, knowing its past performance. When it runs, it rips. So, just be careful about that. Make your own decision on it. Roulette wheel, thank you very much for pointing that out as something, another coin that people can diversify into. Absolutely love it, man. Guys, thank you very much for the entirety of the live stream. Appreciate every single one of you guys. We're going to do some shout outs right now. Make sure, okay, I know that Shibarium excitement is pumping right now. The team's going to love it. I'm going to be praising them in the video tonight as opposed to tearing them down in the video that I wanted to make or wanted to post. And I actually have to remake it now. Yeah, dude, nothing but good things. 8+ billion Shiba Inu coin burned. If you guys want to burn more, leverage the links in the description of the videos to burn both Terra Luna Classic and Shiba Inu coin. Roulette wheel, man, shout out to you and thank you very much for the super chat. Next level, see you later, man. Geoped, enjoy your day. Next level, Giovanni, do they lose money burning at 1 cent? Nope, nobody loses money burning at 1 cent, man. Everybody's making money, and we're burning a lot of Shiba Inu coin. Bitcoin Puto, ahoo, yes, Nufo. Kenneth, man, see you later. Kenneth, Suzuki, Bree guy, surplus, Shiba past performance, Shib, I mean, surplus. Ask me again on the afternoon live stream. I don't know what you mean by is past performance. Surplus, see you later. SD, later bros, later SD, later bros. Geoped, see you later. Mr. Norman, see you later. Suzuki, have a good one as well. Giovanni, until the next time. Oh yes, each and every one of you, Suzuki and Giovanni, they know about it. Roulette wheel, all of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.